So, hello everyone. I guess we are live, and let's see where we left off. Not this, actually, this one. Yeah, so we let me give a recap. So, we are building a medicine reminder application uh, where these are all the features that I think of: medicine CRUD, medicine schedule. In scheduling, there are multiple frequency of schedules, and then the ways of reminding. Currently it is push notification. For that we need to create a PWA, and the second part is Google Calendar integration. For this we need to sign in with Google and Google Calendar scopes and all. And then these all are miscellaneous features which I have think on phase 2. Then for the tech stack, we are using SwiftKit, and backend is Superbase with RLS enabled, and then for deployment we will be using Vercel. So let's see what we have. So we have done the login with Google part. It is being logged in with Google, and we need the Google token to call the calendar APIs with the scope of Google calendars and all, but we will be doing that later, as that is a part of incremental scoping, incremental permissions you can say, where we first ask for the basic thing that we need, that is we need to create a user or identify the user if the user already exists. For that we have Google Auth, and then whenever we need to schedule the meeting, or not the meeting, whenever we need to schedule the reminder for a medicine, we will just ask user to elevate the permission, and provide us the, like we will ask user to elevate the permission with given the scope of Google Calendar and events and all. And then once user gives us the permission, we will give him the rest of the option to like create an event, set up reminders and all. Then that would be like leaving the reminder part to the Google, like calendar will handle the reminder part and all. So we need a base. Currently we have basic user authentication, like login with Google we have. So what should we do next? Let's create a UI. Let's create a UI for scheduling medicine reminders, which is the USP of the product. Then medicine CRUD and all is super easy to do. So let's get started. We will be using AI for creating the UIs and all. I won't be grilling down on that much. We can actually implement that ourselves, or okay, let's use AI, because that is again not a USP. So currently what we have this layout, and this is coming out to be something like this. We will be using the same colors and all, because that doesn't much matter until and unless we have a base strong, like this is our base. For coloring and all, we can anyway switch these colors anytime that we want. So let's create a route where let's create a route. We can create route for anything. Let's not think much on that. Or else let's separate out the authenticated and authenticated part first. So we'll be using route grouping in SwiftKit. Authenticated, if I can spell that right. So this will be for authenticated, and in the same way we will be using for unauthenticated. Yeah, both will be having their layouts file. Okay, so let us create authenticated route. Let's name it something like reminder or schedule. We can even say schedule. Let's create a page.swift. let's initialize things up. We can create emit for that actually. Lang equal to ts. Let's provide the language, and then scheduling, just see where we are. Scheduler not found. Okay, it is schedule, not scheduler. Yeah, so now route, we have a route setup. Let's quickly use AI to generate the UI for us. So URL, let's give AI a you are a senior developer. Let's specify developer working with children. Here is a task for you. I am working. You are working on a medicine scheduler web app. Is a task for you. Create UI for medicine scheduling. This is the requirement for it. We will be keep on iterating the prompt. This is actually what I need. User can select the medicine, use drop down with search, or let's not do this. We'll be we'll be initiating the flow from the medicine itself. Like user clicks on medicine, clicks on schedule, then he goes into the schedule flow. So user can select frequency of the schedule, which I mentioned above. Let's also give some guideline on text of current code base file tailwind config.js. Need to supply this, then app.css. Let's quickly give it a the tech stack is build kit plus tailwind, and let's specify our app.css. We are using dark theme throughout. Do not hallucinate or generate random things. Do not use CSS without tailwind. What all can we give? Task is comment for it. Create UI, create a svelte component for medicine scheduling requirement for it. Then user frequency of the schedule which are mentioned above. Then user can select a time. Okay, that will again be part of this only. If user selects daily, daily. Then in daily there are multiple cases, right? In daily daily the time will be mattering, like is it in morning, is it in afternoon, or is it in night, you know. As I mentioned above, if you just select daily, then show some input fields, show some input time fields where user can select time, select time for different parts of day. Then if user selects weekly, show him options to select day of week. Then day of week, show the time part that is that I told you above. If user selects monthly, to select day of month, and then the time part, which can be multiple. Keep the UI. Keep the UI. Okay, let's see what it generate. And then we will iterate it further. Let me just copy the prompt so that we do not need to write again and again. We can even create a script that can just generate a prompt for us. We will be doing that also. Medicine scheduler dot set. We have a test route. Let's actually create a component medicine. Okay, let's create it scheduler. It can be used anywhere, right? Scheduler dot set. We can use this anywhere we want. Okay, I forgot to write the TypeScript part. Plus TypeScript. Do not use CSS without tailwind. Do not give code without proper types. Using proper types. That's it. I don't know why my keyboard is fucked up. Scheduler. Okay, TypeScript, because we haven't told it, so let's see how it looks. It gets okay, we need to include that also, right? My bad. Scheduler, let's see. Okay, pretty basic stuff. We have got an error. Let's see what the error is. Country body undefined reading morning. Okay. Okay, we can mention this also. Use optional chaining in objects and accessing. Then it breaks at morning. Not getting proper error, man. Is why. Okay, bind, we cannot use optional chaining. Wait, but why it is just the 0th index? Okay, let's try it again. Let's try with tailwind this time, and then we will keep on iterating it. Currently I don't think so it is even up to the mark which I need. Just copy it. Let's see the performance now. Lang equal to ts, but why is it? Acha, okay, it have used as in, oh my god, it still I forgot optional chaining. uh, oh, it have not followed a double I a double one y accessibility and all. If we select daily, it gives us 3 option. If we select weekly, oh my god. Oh my god. Let's just improve it. First of all, I need you to give me a proper proper well designed UI. The current one is not up to the mark. Let's criticize. The current one is not up to the mark. Use colors that are on dark background. Use design white that I shared. And then this follow this user have 3 users select with 3 option: daily, weekly and monthly. If user selects daily, he sees single input for time with a plus button, and on click of plus button a new type time input gets appended to the form if user selects weekly, show some bubbles representing Monday, Tuesday and so on. Then if user selects one, show the single input of time and all. And now if user selects monthly, then in monthly we can't use bubbles and all. Show select with options ranging from day 1 to day 30. Let's see now what it creates. It thought a lot. Let's see what it's come let's see what it comes out with. I guess I'm audible. Yeah, I am. let's see this time what it has came out with. Again same mistake. We need to remind this. Yeah, we need to remind this also. uh, to not use uh, what we call it as type assertion. Insert, insert what we can call it svelte HTML syntax, because there is not any special name as I. Okay, now अरे ah, does it work? Yeah, let's hope now. Let's hope it. Why is it taking so much time? Okay, let's select frequency, daily schedule. I can't see any time. Oh my god, it has again forgot about the tag theme type of thing. So now what we can do is where we have given bg. Okay, it is here. We can remove the background for now. Let's see, add time. Okay, not bad. In weekly, okay, Wednesday, it's scheduled for Wednesday, then Friday and all. Monthly day, schedule for day 4, then time and all. Okay, let me give him context for my current background color is peachy background, so please use colors that are in contrast to it. That what we will say contrast, not sure, let's see. Contrast to it, like use text muted later. Also add some what do you call it, animations, transitions, and at least move the complete component inside a box and add some good borders. Let's criticize. You are a senior engineer. You are a senior front-end engineer, and you are making such mistakes, which is not acceptable on you. There might be some spelling mistakes, but that doesn't matter much. Let's set as and create a refined, polished, and professional UI that adheres to the dark theme design guidelines. I will focus on making the layout visually striking, clean, and user friendly. Let's see what it comes out. I know we are repeating things, but just be with me for some more time. I expect it to be better. Let's see what it comes out with. Again, no box, nothing, nothing has changed. What the heck? Have I pasted the wrong code? Oh man, this is not acceptable. I'm gonna ditch. Okay, let it be. I'll just copy the prompt, copy the idea. I will just directly copy it. I won't update much. Let's see what Claude comes out with. I believe in Claude a lot. Let's see if it can save the day for us. Why is my internet? Oh my god, my internet is not happy with me. Hmm. Let's see what it comes out with. Let's see if it have any syntax error. No, it doesn't. I don't know if my setting is wrong or something else is wrong, but why the fuck is, well, it should, it, padding is not applying or what? Why is padding not getting applied? Is there an issue with tailwind? Okay, tailwind is giving issue. That's why. That's why. So this is our tailwind.config. This is nothing but in app.css we have applied these. We are not overriding these. But BG background light is working, rounded LG is working, but why padding is not? Let's see. So there is no class for padding, it says, but we have p6 applied on it. I guess PG background light is working, colors and all is working. Let's see. Margin, no, margin is also not working. That's why we were not able to connection timed out, fetch failed. Okay, Supabase. So apparently there are no API calls that are failing. We are not even making any API calls. But why are we getting connection failed, fetch failed? Let's see our internet. Are we live? Okay, our internet is not good apparently. But OBS it is showing like, what is the issue, man? Okay, the internet is becoming a bottleneck. But that should not affect the styling and all, no? Here P4 and all is working fine. Here it is working fine. Why only this container? Let's see. Are we doing anything wrong? Rounded LG is also working fine apparently. Only padding margin. Let's see, it's flex working. Let's okay, apparently our tailwind is not working. Yes, the tailwind is not working. Okay, I guess there was some issue in compilation or something. Oh my god. Oh, that's why like everything was looking very bad. Now you see it is coming out pretty well. It is looking okayish. Yeah, it is looking good. What we can do is next W4XL, I guess. That would just be enough. Yeah. Or even 2XL is fine for that. So now we have a component. We just need. Okay, now you know what? Let's give ChatGPT the task that it is built for. Proper write-ups everywhere, and also this is the current component that I have for scheduling purpose. Add proper write-ups everywhere, and we need proper write-ups and also a summary as user keeps on selecting. Now I'm hoping it give me what I want. Just give me a minute. Okay, sorry, I'm back. Let me. My laptop is giving me hard times. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, so as I was expecting, it has given me something. Okay, this effect is not something I need. Where is the hover effect? Just pop off. Yeah, now it's good. Let's select weekly. Tuesday times are not set at time. If I keep on adding time, it keep on increasing the container which I do not need. Where is yeah, so this is the container. Yeah, so this is the loop. So what actually we can do is we can give a max height something like 96 and then overflow by scroll. It is showing a default scroll bar. Okay, let's just ask. Let's do what we are good at asking. uh, let's get this in Chrome. Scroll bar and the container and the content height is less than 96. That is it, right? It will understand what I want to say. Okay, I also forgot we can just use auto. So whenever if there is an increase, it will add the scroll bar and all like this. And what we can do is give me utility class for beautifying the scroll bar. We don't want the basic scroll bar. Okay, it have given name of scroll bar beautify. Nice. and then this is custom colors for scroll bar as well. I really liked it, and then we can just rename it scroll bar. We can just say it custom scroll bar. And then just let's see how it is looking now. Okay, not bad, not bad, but can be improved. Let's spend some time improving it. So let's reduce. Now I guess it is coming fine. We can add a rounded and all, but that doesn't really matter. What will matter is we can just okay, it have used SVGs. So what we can do is text muted. Why? Okay, fill is current color now. Can we use tailwind here? I'm not sure. No, we cannot. No, we cannot. EF. No, we cannot. In SVG, oh my god, what the fuck I'm doing? I'm adding it somewhere else and then expecting it to work. My bad. Wait. This button is for removing the time slot. I understand it. Oh my god, this is default timer, man. What the fuck? This is default timer. Why I even wasted time there? And now I fucked up this. Now we can also do one thing. If we do not have any value in this, we can just stop adding time. Where is the add time slot? Let's log it out. So I'm getting an array 0 and time. So I guess we can check the last element. If time slots dot length, then time slots dot length -1. If this have time, then we will append, and what we can do is we can just merge these. But no, we cannot, because, or actually we cannot. Initially the length will be 0, and if the length is 0, what we can do is we can do this. Yes, now we can Now we can add else here, else post dot error, please select a time first. Okay, we got the error. Let's select time, try to add time. Yeah, it is working fine, I guess. Yeah, it is working fine. No issues. Now it can be done. Now it can be done. So we are getting summary also. Okay, we can just improve summary as well. We do not need to, or what we can do is we can just simply we can use substring, or we can use split, or we can use slice. Let's use, we have joined the string, and then what should I use? What should I use to remove the last comma and space? Let's first see the what we say. Let's see the console. Yeah, what we can just do is so this is the thing that I used to do actually when I am not sure what to use. I am again using split and split, man, not slice. Can we use -1 here? We can use length and then -1. Can we use -1? I guess yes. So that's it. Let's see if it breaks. Now let's see how it will break. Time is not set. Let's set the time. Okay, if we just have one element, then it will break. But why is it? Because see, it is like this, right? It is like this, but we are joining this with this and then slicing it out. We are joining this with this and then slicing it out now. Why it is not having this at the end? Okay, let's do this. Okay, oh my god, we have used join. I just I thought we were appending directly, so never mind. My bad. So it will just work fine until we have some time in it. So actually what we can do is, so wait man, let's focus on thing that needs our attention. Okay, I guess it should not be an issue now. Great. Let's try to select monthly, and then yeah, everything falls good. We can remove the solids and all. So now as we have a minimalistic component for scheduling, so now I will be taking rest. The live stream will be on.